This frog literally dies every winter and comes back to life in spring. Meet the Alaskan wood frog, nature's ultimate survivor. When temperatures drop, this little amphibian does the unthinkable. It freezes solid. Heart stops. Breathing gone. Blood turns to ice. For months, it's basically a frog-shaped popsicle buried under leaves and snow. But when spring returns it, the ice inside melts, its heart starts beating again. And just like that, it's alive. Scientists say it survives thanks to a natural antifreeze. Glucose floods its organs, preventing ice damage. Frozen but not gone. So the next time you're cold, just remember, hey, some frogs are literally chilling through winter. Like and follow for more weird discoveries and crimes.